Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to pay vendors in Gnucash. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, start by opening your Gnucash application on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to wait a moment while your financial data loads up. This might take a few seconds depending on the size of your company file, so just be patient while everything initializes properly. Now, once your data has fully loaded and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar of your screen. You'll see several tabs there, and you want to click on the one labeled Business. This is where all your vendor and customer management tools are located. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with various business-related options. From this drop-down menu, hover your cursor over the vendor option. When you do this, the menu will expand to reveal additional vendor-specific functions. This submenu contains all the tools you need for managing your vendor relationships and transactions. From the expanded menu that appears, go ahead and click on Process Payment. This option allows you to record and process payments to your vendors directly within Gnucash. After clicking Process Payment, a new window will pop up on your screen. This is the Process Payment window where you'll enter all the details for your vendor payment. First, you'll see a field at the top where you need to enter the vendor name or ID. Type in the name of the vendor you wish to pay in this field. Gnucash will often auto-suggest vendors from your existing list as you type, making it easier to select the correct one. Next, move down to the Transaction Details section. Here, you'll need to add in the payment amount. Enter the exact amount you're paying to this vendor in the designated field. Make sure this amount matches your invoice or agreement to keep your records accurate. Then, on the right side of the window, you'll see an option to select the transfer account. This is where you specify which account the funds will originate from for this payment. Click on the drop-down menu and select the appropriate account, whether that's your checking account, cash account, or another payment source you're using. This ensures the payment is properly recorded in your accounting records and deducted from the correct account. Once you've entered the vendor information, payment amount, and selected the transfer account, click on the OK button at the bottom of the window. Gnucash will then process the payment and update your accounts accordingly. You've now successfully recorded a vendor payment in Gnucash. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.